Is it a good idea to fish for bass on a fall time day in 30 to 40 mile per hour winds from shore? Stick around to find out. Ooh, it is windy. Honestly, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing out here. This is probably a really bad idea. Until I just catch one. Oh. Wow. All right. Well, that's kind of crazy. I came out here for bass and just caught a nice crappie on a Strike King. Sexy shad. Look at that. Wow. Cool. He's pretty nice. Let's let him go now. 40 mile per hour wind crappie. That's what you are. 40 mph crop. 40 mph crop. All day long, baby. That was unexpected. It's kind of cool. Maybe that's a good sign. I think that's a good sign. Should be a really good sign. That means the bite might be aggressive. Let's see if we can get another one. That was cool. I can't believe that crappie went after this. So far, so good. Oh, it's so windy. I just had another bite and I missed it. Wow, is this wind crazy. I don't know what I'm doing out here, guys. No idea. Looking crazy, I guess. People are driving by looking at me like, what in the world is he doing? It is super windy out here. I mean, this wind is shoving up right on this shoreline, right up against me right now. These bait fish should just be stuck all in here. Meaning that these bass should be chomping. I don't know, maybe they don't like all this wind. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Look at those ripples. This is a pond. And it looks like Lake Michigan right now, it's so windy. Trick is to try to cast in between wind gusts. Tell you what, if I had a bait caster out here right now, I would not even attempt it. Casting into the wind with one of those. It's just crazy. Craziness. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Rock and roll. Whoa! I'm gonna get blown away. Here we go. Cast. That can't be the only catch. Gotta have faith. Big bass energy. Big bass energy, guys. Come on. Hashtag big bass energy. Landing pilot into a bass's mouth. Come on. Oh, told you. Oh, he is nice. Oh. Right. Look at that. .40-mile-per-hour winds today, 30 to 40. It's been raining on and off all day. He's a nice chunk. Let's get him back in the water and get another one. So we're there, trying to cover as much water as I can right now. Kind of fishing this crankbait very aggressively. Speed reeling it. I reel really fast, pull up, let it vibrate, and I'll drop it. Kind of jig it almost. Maybe those winds will push a big old 10-pounder to me. Let's try it back over here. Crazy wind, crazy wind. I can't stop thinking about that bass I just caught. He looked very mad. Man, if he had eyebrows, he had some angry eyes. Those cattails would be awesome right now. I'm not even going to attempt it right now. It's not worth it. About 45 degrees out right now. Whew. Hands are getting cold. Nice and red. Oh, it's blowing way over there. Holy crap. That's not where I wanted to cast. This wind is insane right now. Oh, jeez. All right, the gust died down. There we go. Oh, got another one. Oh, there, Chompzilla. Chompzilla right there. Hit it like a freight train. All right. I seen him coming. He just smashed it. That is awesome. Oh. Sorry, buddy. Slipped out of my hands. Apparently, crankbait was a good choice to come out here. I only brought one of my poles. I usually bring 3 to 5 with different baits tied on. But I decided just to grab my backpack and my one rod and reel. Turning out pretty good. So glad that the rain is holding up. But man, is it windy. Definitely worth it. Oh man, tangled up. Oh, this must have just drove past. Must have just went right past a fish. A little scale on the hook. That's crazy. That scale was probably from a bass's nose, sniffing this thing, wanting to get a piece of that breakfast. big hole in the ground. Stick my foot in it. It's gotta be a bass around here. Let's see, I caught one. Caught a bass on the right side with that crappie. I moved down a little bit further, more towards the middle, caught a bass. Now I gotta catch one on the left side. Oh, it's so windy. Let's get out here. Oh, whee! Got one. Oh, I got off. Oh, he was little. It's alright. Let's keep him popping. Oh, man. The answer to my question from the beginning of this video, whether or not it's a good idea to go fishing in 40-mile-per-hour wind in the fall, I say it's an awesome idea. You got the right equipment, the right baits to throw. You need heavier baits. It's definitely worth it. I wasn't even here 20 minutes and hit an unexpected crappie. That was pretty cool. That was actually pretty awesome. I love crappie. They're awesome. They're really, really pretty fish. So I caught a crappie, 2 bass. I caught all 3 of those fish within a 20-minute time frame. So I'd say it's definitely worth it. Next time you got a nice 40-mile-per-hour wind, a nice pond to go to, go fishing. Have some fun. Grab a rod, grab a reel, grab some line, grab a crankbait, and go have some fun. See you guys next time.